doing?
You here to fix the heat?
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a look at your breaker box, all right?
It's right behind the door.
Okay, well, let me go up and take a peek to see what we got going on.
Okay.
I see there's like a crack on it. Did it get hit or anything?
I have no idea.
Okay. Let me hop up there and see what we got going on. I'll be back in a little while.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's up, everybody? Ryan here. Got a no heat, got a blank thermostat. Breaker is on, so a couple of things that'll cause the thermostat to not have any display on it is obviously one, no 24 volt power to the thermostat, or we could have no power to the unit itself. Could be a bad transformer, could be a blown fuse. I did notice that there was a small crack on the thermostat. It's Focus Pro 8000 touchscreen thermostat, so maybe it got whacked. We're gonna hop up on the roof. We're gonna see if we've got power, if we've got a bad transformer, a blown fuse, a short in the 24 volt circuit. So it's 14 degrees out. It's pretty cold. It's pretty chilly in the store. It's not too bad, but of course it doesn't feel real cold when you're walking in from 14 degrees. So I'm gonna get my coat on, get my ladder up. We're gonna take a look at this unit and see what we've got going on with it. Here we are, little York unit. Disconnect is on. Now let's open this thing up. See what we got. 208, 230, three-phase. They only had one three-phase breaker in there, and it was in the on position. So we should have power up here because there's no fuses. Yeah. It says idle. It says idle. Got a 3 amp fuse back there, and it looks like it's not tripped. I'm gonna jump this unit out and heat, make sure it kicks on. Hey, I'm looking at this a little closer, and there's no common wire tied into the thermostat. So I'm wondering if it's just a battery's dead. Yeah, we're gonna find out. Let me jump it out here, make sure it works. Looks like we've got an 8 wire or 6 wire. We got 6 wires here, so I may be replacing batteries and hooking up common. Having your common hooked up is going to allow the thermostat to work without batteries. I still keep the batteries in there as backup, I believe, but I think that's what we're going to be doing. There we go. There we go. And I got a signal for heat now with my jumper wire. Take a look at this blower real quick before it kicks on. Come on, you. Come on, you. Well, she's lit. I bet you the batteries are dead, and they've got no common tied into the thermostat. So we're gonna go down and investigate that. Take my jumper off. So I got a brown and a black here. One of them I'm gonna tie into common here on the control board, and down at the thermostat we'll get some new batteries in it and see if that makes a difference. I'll see you down there. Okay, let's take a look here. Triple A's, not double A's. There we go. We got some display now. I'm gonna pull that wire out. We're gonna hook up common. Looks like we've got some bugged together wires to make these longer. I'm gonna go ahead and eliminate those, and we're gonna use black for common. Tell you what, I like having that extra bag because I could just grab it and go inside if there's any work to do, troubleshooting inside, just like I did today. I don't have to take this big bag with me. So all I got to do now is hook up black to common and turn it on, and hopefully it works. Let's get our strippers, get our precision screwdriver. I'm gonna put the camera down, I'm gonna hook up this wire, and we're gonna kick it on. Power's back on. Control board is booting back up. These things count down from like 118 before they kick back on, but no 3-amp fuse is tripped or anything like that, so I think they just didn't want to take the extra step to hooking up common, which I don't understand why, or it was never hooked up. When they came to replace, they never did anything with the thermostat. But anyway, we're gonna let this thing count down, and that should be it. Hopefully. It's cold. I still got other stuff to do today. 97, 96, 95, 94. All right. Yeah, baby, all fired up. So that was it. Pretty easy call. Some thermostat issues. That's why you wanna, if you can, you want to wire up common on the thermostat. But I'm not complaining because now I got to come out here and do a service call. Yeah, I mean, if you're able to hook up common, hook it up. So she's running, looks like a brand new unit. Looks like all these units on this plaza are new. So that's gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna pack up my stuff and head to my next one. Yeah, I can feel my fingers. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Some thermostat issues on this York RTU. No big deal. Made some wiring repairs with the wiring, all that wire nuts and stuff, hooked up common and replaced the thermostat batteries. So we're all set. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one.